Hello everyone and welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with respect to the logical reasoning section of the paper. So if we talk about the section in general, the LR section in general, we have seen that this year although the kind of questions or the topics of the question that has been asked more or less remain the same, but the questions that have been asked are of a little bit higher level of difficulty. That is, the questions involve a bit more critical thinking in general. Okay, so that being said, so we'll basically try and take a look at the particular kind of question of the paper itself, and then try to identify the approach towards solving the same, so that whenever we come across this kind of question in future, we are easily able to solve the same. Okay, so that being said, let's focus on the question at hand. So study the following information carefully and answer the question given below it. Okay. Point A is 5 meters towards the west of point B. Point C is 2 meters towards the north of point B. Point D is 3 meters towards the east of point C. And point E is 2 meters towards the south of point B. So initially let me draw the direction diagram, and then subsequently we can proceed with that. Okay. So north, south, east, west, northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest. So we'll basically take a look at the question with respect to this diagram only. So it's given that point A is 5 meters towards the west of point B. Okay. Okay. So this is point B. This is point A. 5 meters. Point C is 2 meters towards the north of point B. Point C, 2 meters. Okay. Point D is 3 meters towards the east of point C. 3 meters. So this is 3 meter. Point D. And finally, point E is 2 meters towards the south of point D. 2 meters. This is point E. Again, 2 meters. Okay. So this is the diagram. Now, if a person walks 2 meters north of point A, okay, so here is a person. He walks 2 meters towards the north of point A and takes a right turn and continues to walk. Which of the following points would he reach first? Okay, he takes a right turn and continues to walk. Okay, first he reaches here. This is 2 meters. So he would reach point C. Okay, from this diagram it's clear he would reach point C. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Now, which of the following points are in straight line? A, B, E. So yes, A, B, E are in a straight line. If we continue this thing, A, B, E are in a straight line. Okay. So this was how we actually go about solving this question. This was a fairly easy question in general. So in case you have any doubt, I suggest you go through the video multiple times to get a clear understanding on how we came about with the solution of the same. Okay. So with all that said and done, in case you want a detailed solution of the question paper in general, I suggest you look us up, go through the description section of the video, and wherein you will find a lot of details pertaining to our contact address, be it our email IDs, our website links, and our phone numbers on which you can call, text, WhatsApp us. So feel free to connect with us if you have any kind of doubt in regarding to your exam preparations in general, and also if you need a fully solved paper of the same. So feel free to connect with us. And lastly, in case you like the video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. So we'll continue our discussion of the similar questions in the subsequent videos, and until then I am signing out. Thank you so much.